Dawson, where are you going? Oh, up onto the pile of laundry? I put that pile of laundry there just for you, Doss. Oh, now he's the king of the castle. Dawson loves laying on clothes and soft things. That's my excuse for not folding all of that. That actually hasn't been there very long. And then he'll run along here, and he'll jump on the bed, or he'll jump from down to the armrest, or run around there. This is like your jungle gym, isn't it? Hey, puppy? Dawson? Are we gonna go in the car to Grandma's? Yeah, we gotta go and get a few more things before we leave for our trip.